girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, to a dance song from Inna featuring Reynmen, and this one is called Wherever You Go. So a great song there, pretty easy to play, same rhythm so to speak, just some different chord progressions depending on if you play the chord and verse play or if you play the drop. So we're gonna look at that. Let's start with the capo here first on the 3rd fret to have the easiest chords possible. So with the capo on 3rd, that gives us first A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. We have D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have 2 more chords left. The first one of these is the F, so you need a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. 6 chords: A minor, G, D minor, C, F, and E minor. So let's start with the main play here, the verse and chorus. And we have the chord progression A minor to G to D minor to C. Okay, so when we're playing these chords, we have certain notes we want to emphasize if it's possible. So for A minor, you want to emphasize the 1st fret B string. So one. And on G, you want to emphasize the open B string, so that's the reason for not playing the 3rd B string like we usually do for G. We have this open, so this one, open B. For D minor, you want to emphasize the 1st fret E string, this one. And for C, the open E string. So that is how it goes. Now I picked these strings. I think it's easier if we make downstrokes. Yeah, it's not maybe easier, it's more convenient maybe. It's up to you. I picked them, you play down or wherever you want to do. We have this rhythm going. It's on E minor 2 times, and G 2 times, and D minor 2 times, and on C 3 times. But it's a certain rhythm here, so it goes like this. So it's A, G, G, pause, D, D, C, C, C. Okay, so that is the main play, but then we have the drop later, and the chord progression here will be A minor to D minor to F and to E minor. And you have the same rhythm here, so you're gonna play A, D, D, F, F, E, E, E. Okay, so A minor, D minor, F, and E minor. With this rhythm, it goes like this. This is what you're gonna play and have to know through the entire song. So good luck with this one, guys. Inna and Reynmen, wherever you go. Play tuned.